Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau Bak Prestun Tensong Ubaderu Chairman ke High Level Committee Habayade Bekaharijan Koloni Ulayatu Banakaliang Kaharijan Panchayat Committee Kampat Pak Jingtip AA Bat Nakaliang ke HPC Kadang Ab Haduk Mentah Hashwa Banyat Syakamat Halor Kani Kaman Nakaliang ke Sorkar Lingba ke HLC Kala IT ke Blueprint Syaka HPC Habayade Bat Kajaka Bat usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau Loong Banakaliang ke HPC kalade bania keren para maki ban pentip sya kesorkar henrai haduk mentah kesorkar kampat yuk jubab satya.
But the first minister has already replied. Now because the board has given some kind of direction. So because till now they have not communicated anything to the government, to the committee. Because that day I told them, you please, the moment you sat down among yourself, then you please communicate so that I can call a meeting. So in the meantime, the board also has given the direction. So we are waiting for that. We are waiting for that.
So any communication from them whether they accept it or not?
No, that's why I said no communication yet. We are yet to get any information, any communication from the side.